Hello, hello, hello. Alrighty. Today we're going to be taste testing this Nut Cravings dried peaches. The wife picked these up, I believe Walmart or Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. If you've ever had this product before, let me know what you thought of it. And I'm not sure. I'm not like, I don't know, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with peaches. Sometimes it's just really tart. Alright, I've already opened the package here. Oh, it said it's 100 calories per serving. Serving size is 16. So that's not bad. 1 ounce. About 16 of these. That seems like a lot. But, yeah, and that's all that's in here. Okay, nutcravings.com. It looks like they do have a website, so I will make sure and link that below. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. Went ahead and cut the top before I started recording, just so life would be a little easier. They're very pungent on the smell. And it's not a pleasant smell. I mean, it kind of smells like peaches. But honestly, it smells like peaches that have turned. That's not a good smell. And this peach looks really beat up. Let me see if I can find one that doesn't look so scary. Okay, this one has... this one has some girth to it. But at least the coloring is a little bit more pleasant. If you haven't had this product before, let me know if you're a fan of peaches in general. Yeah, it's a dehydrated tart peach. There's not any sweetness at all. Yeah, it's just tart. No natural sugars in this sucker. This is not for me. As far as what it is and what it's probably supposed to be like, I would have to then rate it like, I guess a 3 out of 5, because it's probably, I mean, tart is probably what people expect with a dried peach, but it's just not a flavor that I enjoy. So for me, it's not for me, but I would, for fairness, for the product's sake, I'll give it a 3 out of 5, because I'm sure it meets the expectations of the average consumer. I'm just going to deposit that over there because I'm not going to finish it. Yeah. I can't say that I'm truly disappointed because my expectations were pretty low, so. But, yeah. Share pack. Yeah. Handpicked by farmers around the world. Share pack, huh? Yeah, there's plenty for people to share because I don't want any. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.